So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. Now to get here, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times. So you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times, and then on the 4th time when you turn your computer back on again, it's going to take you into this screen. It's now going to be saying your PC did not start correctly. You want to click on Advanced Options. And then once you're on this, I'm going to be showing you 4 different methods on how you can fix this problem. So for the first method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Start to Repair. If you do not see Start to Repair, you want to click on Sim Recovery Options. Then it should appear right here. So you want to click on Start to Repair. It's now going to start diagnosing your PC. Wait for this to load. Now hopefully this will fix your problem. If not, we're going to click on Advanced Options. For the second method, you're going to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options. Now we're going to go with System Restore. If you have any restore points enabled on your computer, you're going to click on Next and then go back to your restore point. See if that works for you. If you don't have any restore points, that's fine. We're going to click on Cancel. Now for the third method, you're going to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Command Prompt. And then once you're on this, you want to type in bootrec space / fix mbr. Click on Enter. Now we're going to type in bootrec space / fix boot. Click on Enter again. If you get access is denied, just ignore it. Now we're going to type in bootrec space / rebuild bcd. Click on Enter again. Wait for this to load. Now we're going to type in sfc space / scan now and then click on Enter. Then you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be completed. And then once that's been done, for the last command, you want to type in chkdsk space /f space /r space c : and then click on Enter. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. As you can see on my screen, the estimated time is going to be taking 17 minutes. This is going to take too long, so I'm just going to cut the video off right here. I'm going to close out of this, but in your case, you want to run the whole scan. And then once you complete the scan, you want to close out of Command Prompt. Then you want to continue to Windows, and then the problem should be fixed.